Philanthropy, talk it to them.
I got to stand at all and I know say what me fi do.
DJ got alongside MC Regimental up on the building. The good vibes we are run. I think called Total Niceness.
Every time.
One new chili tuning in right now.
Yes, Mr. Trophy. Straight from West Africa. Easy all cross, hold on tight, you know, so we just a feature the man still promoting. Mr. God.
You know, no vehicle when a DJ got a call. Philanthropy that you don't know. Me love that youth, me love that vibes, cause you don't know, say every week we have to present that one day. Aye, Sophie Brand jingle.
Ooh, your sound is like a lover's rock. With the kick and the snare and the hi-hat it a clap. Lover's rock. The piano, the phrase and the bass it a drop. Lover's rock. Hey, it's Sophia Brown and I'm representing for DJ Mello, DJ Man, DJ Sniper out of Gambia. I don't know, say when the man them a play music, them play it like there is no tomorrow. They were born with their fingers to play music, so kick it.
The one Benjamin, the hottest dancehall artist coming out of my country right now, Gambia. Listen this. Benji, it's not a joke, listen this. The Jamaican people will not let you out, never ever. You don't know, Caribbean people, them will love you. All the people tuning live and direct on Spice FM now, 98.8. Benji, take it to them.
Well, right now this is a West Africa thing, you know, so hold on tight, I'll cook.
Phenom taxi drivers love you all the time. Black
all the while.
Blue liner. All we need peace to reign. By the one Benjamin. That's right.
All we need is peace to reign. All we need is peace to reign. All we need is peace to reign. No fuss and fight. Let us all unite. Together we will rise.
We got the one Francesco, the one Oliver and Thomas Alexandra. My German Italy family.
Check it out.
We almost gone behind. Now it's time to climb. Now it's time to shine. Now get what's thine. Love in the body, heart, soul and mind. No mama fly. No mama cry. No baby die. We seek a better life. All we need is peace to reign. All we need is peace to reign. All we need is peace to reign.
Yes, people.
All we need is peace to reign.
Forever.
All we need is peace to reign. 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 Yo, checking us Sudan. Too much on AK gun. Causing enough disturbance and missile them a land. Causing destruction. Feed the little children and women in Afghanistan. Don't pan the Swat Valley land. See the Waka some silly gang. Them a fight for Islam. But them kill out enough man. Me see say them walk around. Sing for me the songs of love. Yeah. Sing for me the songs of joy.
One Benjamin.
All we need is peace to reign. All we need is
And I think all we need peace to reign across the globe, across all over. For
real.
Peace to reign in the world.
Peace to reign. All we need is peace to reign. All we need is peace to reign. All we need is peace to reign. No black and white.
Right.
No pink and red.
Check.
We can make it right. But there's a better way. So no more building guns. No more. And no more shipping bombs. No more. And no more banging guns. No more. We don't want no AK guns. All we need is peace to reign.
All we need peace to reign now.
Peace to reign. All we need is peace to reign.
Man called Benjamin.
Peace to reign. Peace to reign. In Syria, peace to reign. In
Spreading the love and spreading the vibes.
Yeah, man, spreading the vibe. Blessing to all of you people tuning in right now from across Africa, Europe. You don't know. Say Spice FM 98.8 every Monday night. A reggae roadblock, we call it, you know, from 6 p.m. till 8 UK time, you know. A man DJ alongside MC Regimental. So, still, we are going to feature some of my Africa youth, them, you know. Listen to this one.
Direct.
If you can be good,
Direct.
well, better be careful.
That's right, people.
If your nose don't wanna run for right, then better be careful.
West African thing, you know.
If you can be good, well, better be careful.
Spreading the vibes.
If your nose don't run right.
Yes, we have to pull up this one and tell you who actually is singing this. The one called King Potter featuring Heartbreaker. Heartbreaker and King Potter. And a thing called If